guys, what's up? I'm gonna just play Royal High, just be like a normal human. I think this is the microphone, I'm not sure. Sorry if it is the microphone and I'm just talking right in it. I am so stupid. It's not the microphone. I don't think so, at least. Whoa! Look how hot I am. Dang. Oh my gosh. I look fabulous. I haven't been on Royal High in a long time. I haven't been on Roblox for a long time. Because you know what? Oh my gosh. Ooh, I look weird. Alright, Bart. For sexy. Bart, girl. Ew, that's gross. Blueberry. One of the cool kids. I guess I'm one of the cool kids. What else? Not like it's a big deal or anything. Because it totally is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This looks so good on me. Actually, I like it. Let me just see some faces real quick. Oh my gosh, this is so kawaii. Oh my gosh, kawaiiness is over 9,000. I love kawaiiness. Oh my gosh. I need to chillax. I just like kawaii. I like kawaii. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. That's adorable too, but I'm not that nice. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'll stop. I need to be serious, sorta. I need to be cool. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna for real die. Jesus help me. Oh my gosh, that face looks ugly. Oh my gosh. Ew. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Me thinking she's spicy. Or he, I don't know. Whoa. I do have different colored eyes, but not that. Oh my gosh. Oof. Noob. Oh my gosh, I look hot. I look spicy though. Oh my gosh, I look fabulous. But it's not relatable because it's too fabulous. You know, when something's too fabulous that doesn't relate at all. Yeah, I think you guys know. Everyone in the comments says, no, we don't know. LOL. No, I'm joking. But I was trying to live stream earlier, but it wasn't working out, so I wasn't live streaming. It's made people wait, and no one was even waiting. Just they look at the oh my gosh, she's making a live stream. What the heck? I don't even like her videos. Why is she making a live stream thing? Everyone will find it and then go on it. And that's not even what I was thinking. I'm just gonna make it for fun, and I'm just gonna be like, hey, what's up? It's not like I'm gonna poop my pants during the video. Oh my gosh. Relatable. This is my new face. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I don't like Harley. I mean, I do like Harley Quinn, but it's so old now. Oh my gosh. I need my friend. Oh no. Rosie, I need you. Oh my gosh, just delete everything. Oh my gosh, my storage. Okay. I gotta go to bed soon. In 39 minutes. Because right now it's 8:51. And yeah. That's okay, but not the best. Ooh, that looks pretty, but I'll leave that as my second choice if I don't like others. Oh my gosh, there's so many more choices, I think. Well, I don't remember any of the choices from before because, I'm stupid. So, yeah. Ooh, that looks pretty. Oh my gosh, but so high up on my face, it's gonna make me look like I have a big chin. Oh my gosh. I wanna be somebody else. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Happy face. Oh my gosh, happy face. Oh, oh. Wait a second, where's that one face that I always liked? I know it has like one blue, one green eye. I don't know where it is because I don't know. Alright. I was more to record because oh my god. Yeah, me every day. But I keep that inside because I'm just too epic. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to scooch closer. Ooh. Me looking like Kylie Jenner. Nah, I'm joking. Red eyes. I want red eyes. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. It looks like my fangs because I'm a werewolf and yeah. Ew, I do not wear purple or light colors. This is so gross. Alright. Shut up. You poop. You smell. Alright. Ugh. Okay, could I find some hot non-white clothes? I'm wearing a white shirt right now in real life, but it has nothing to do with anything. Wait. Hey. I don't get this. You know what? I just quit in life because YOLO. Okay, I'll stop. I'm never gonna say YOLO ever again. Actually, people at school are gonna be like, that's not true. Well, but most of y'all people at my school are just gonna make fun of me because of my videos and that they're so weird and yeah, you're just. I never asked for your opinion.
It's not my opinion. It's just a fact.
I don't care. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I look so cute actually. Steven, don't even talk to me. Shut up. Oh my gosh, do you ever stop talking? Stop. I look dead because I am. Whoa. Whatevs. Just me looking fabulous. Oh my gosh, I look beautiful. My gosh. Ooh, I looking hot. Looking hot. I got so many heart-shaped diamonds. I don't know how that works. Where's the logic behind this? I don't know. You tell me. Oh my gosh, it's so gross, but I like it so much. If you couldn't tell, I have a cold. That's why my voice isn't as squeaky as before. But I hate having a cold. My nose was so stuffy at the movie theater. I kept blowing my nose in tissues. Because why not? Because this is a free country. Obviously, that's why. Yeah. Alright. Wait, where did the wheel go? Did they get rid of the wheel? They better not have. Oh my gosh, I think they got rid of the wheel. Rest in peace, me. did they get rid of the wheel? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna exit out of this, and then just go into another game, cause I'm gonna fall off my chair. Okay. Whew. Actually, guys, I'm gonna end it here. But you tell me, what game should I play next? Leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.